The Timpani package includes a handheld piece with built-in probe, assorted ear tips, medical-grade power supply, a USB connection cable, a carrying case, user manual. Timpani comes with a variety of optional tools, a docking station to charge the unit and transfer exam results, a printer. Timpani is an extremely light device, which is easy to handle and maintain. Its probe can be very rapidly dismantled and cleaned. Timpani can be charged by placing it on its docking station or by USB connection. Once the unit is charged, the instrument can be turned on by pressing the front power button. A few seconds after turning on, the instrument's display monitor will show the main screen. Timpani can be interfaced with Maestro software, which is entirely developed by Inventis and is compatible with NOAA. Now we can have a quick look at the software installation procedure. Double-click on the installer to run the application. Confirm all the settings and then press Install. Once the installation has finished, connect Timpani to your computer via USB and start Maestro by double-clicking on the icon. Your exam results and patients can now be transferred to the Maestro archive. Simply select the data you wish to move to your database. They can immediately be inspected and printed using Maestro itself.